So this is the nose. The air comes in through the nose, and those toxins go right into the brain through the olfactory nerve. You got a direct line. It's like plugging your brain into fungus when you breathe it. So think of it this way. If it comes in through your nose and it's present in the urine, that means it's in your whole system. It's just common sense. So it goes into your brain through your nose. And then the spores that are in your sinuses are making more mycotoxins and MVOCs. So you got your own manufacturing facility inside your head, even when you're in good air. So that's why some of these patients require surgery to clean it out and then remove all the mycotoxins. You get some spectacular results you're going to see later. So you focus on clean air and get it free of mold and mycotoxins. That's the most important thing.